What's up, people of the internet? Today we are walking, I lied. Today we are putting signs out on 14 lots that we have across the Porto Cima area. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna get to it. We started out by listing a new one this morning, and we've gotten gas already. And by we, I mean I. So that's what we're doing. If we haven't met before, my name's Elysse Jinkens, and I'm a realtor at the Lake of the Ozarks. Let's get started. It's a muddy mess because it's been raining for several days. Come on. Oh, I bent the stand already. I tell you, I hate putting these out. Okay, there's a winner. Now, I know it's crooked. I know it's crooked, but it went all the way in the ground. So we're gonna call that a win. Okay, so this is lot number 2 of the 14 that we're doing. This lot is golf course front, and it's lot number 1190 on Spring Creek Drive. So if you want more information, we can always email it over. This ground is quite rocky, so I'm not anticipating this going in the first time. Now, the cool thing about this lot is that the one next door's over there is also getting ready to come on the market, not by me. But the people that own it are clearing it, not completely, but of like the brush and stuff, so that you can see the layout better. Come on, sucker. Golly gosh darn it. And so we have to have a 5-foot setback for the mowers. Maybe we'll try up some more. That's a rock. The key is you want to bury these all the way up to the first weld, but they're not welded together very good. That one might not go anywhere. Well, we'll see. We'll be back in 6 weeks. If this lot's still on the market, we'll see if this sign's blown away or not. I try to make the rounds like this every 6 to 8 weeks. Just because I need to make sure that signs are off things that I've sold, and just need to double check and cross our T's and dot our I's. Okay, so this one's up. We're gonna go to the next lot. So this one is lot 1150, and kind of down a hill. So there is that. Low and slow, huh? I was thinking on the way over here that perhaps you guys would want some lot tours at some point. And so I was wondering, would you prefer that that be like on a live video or drone footage, pre-recorded? Oh, wow. We really found a hole right there. I wasn't expecting that. Anyways, so how do you guys want it done? Obviously, we could walk through the lot, but then I'm just going to be winded and out of breath. And I can't guarantee that I'll have like stellar service. So maybe we need to make it not a live video. I don't know. It's up to you guys. What do you guys want? We'll try it. Hello? Can you please work for me? We're only on the third one. We have more to go. There we go. Oh, shoot. About dropped that on my foot. That would not have been great. Now this one isn't as steep as the last. Yep. All right. 4 done, 10 to go. Are you guys ready? We're going to go to the other side of Porto Cima now. That one is still there. Very good, very good. That's lot 499. That's an awesome lot. That lot is going to have a year-round lake view. So excited. Look at all this construction happening here. And it still has a sign too. Perfect. That right there is what we're looking for. So, now we're gonna go to probably Oak Drive and make sure that those two signs are there, because I'm very confident that I put signs on those two lots, but we'll double check that they're still there and that they're in proper order, and then we will move on to the rest of them. So I'm gonna cross these off our list and get to driving to the next set of lots. I went to Lake Drive in Porto Cima also to check on those lots, and I'm sorry that we had to miss out on that, but I was on the phone call while we did that. So these are the two on Oak Drive that I told you that I was pretty sure I had signs on, and that we just needed to make sure we had signs on. So those are those. We've got 3 lots left, 2 on this side of Porto Cima, so we'll go there next. All right. We have 2 lots left, you guys. We did a pretty good job. This is an awesome little corner lot, and it's on Glen Eagles Court, I think. Pretty sure. Okay, so we can kind of see where the mowers were. We're gonna go just beyond their mow line so that I don't get in trouble. Obviously this is not 5 feet to the road, but you see from the road this is why. There we go. That one's all done. Do you ever duck while you're going under low-hanging things, even though you're in a car? Lots of wildlife now that the sunshine's coming out. So we're coming to an end here. This is the last lot we have to put signs on. I realize we still have to put one on the other side, but question. What do you guys want to see more of? Do you want to see house tours? Do you want market updates? Do you want events happening here at the lake? What do you, the people, want more of? We've recently gained like 30 followers on the YouTube, so I want to make sure that you get what you want. If you made it all the way to the end, I want to say thank you. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you on the next one.